What's up, viewers? Welcome to View on Stocks through Revampin. So, as we speak about today's market was totally bearish and Nifty did not move. It was totally flat, and Bank Nifty was totally on the bearish side. And we'll try to analyze a few more stocks, and we'll also try to understand how are we going to prepare for tomorrow. Bank Nifty currently trading at lifetime high, and the major resistance is 15,780. A lot of people are there who are waiting for Nifty to take a short position because there is a huge potential on the downward side. But we are waiting to see where it is going to take a resistance and from what level the market is going to go down. Even though it is going to come down, the support could be 15,643. Looking into Bank Nifty today, the triangular breakout happened on the lower side. It gave you a sell call somewhere at 35,501. And because there was a gap down, we got a probability trade somewhere near at 35,459, and continuously the market started falling down. And if you observe at the same level, one is the triangular breakout, second one is this is the resistance got converted to support, and now the same area it has got converted to resistance. Now because the level was broken, it went up and when immediately it started coming down. So we can expect Bank Nifty to go further down from here, maybe up to 34,729 or 730, these levels, and we can expect the stock to bounce back. Buy above 35,370, but stay on the bearish side. ICICI Bank, it's gradually taking a resistance at these areas and trying to keep a downtrend. So if I just extend this trend line, 650, take a sell position. Target could be 640, 10 rupees. Axis Bank, it is trying to somehow remain above the support level. The major support is near at 736.80, and it is somehow trying to fight to remain on the bullish side. And we also spoke about the Fibonacci levels where it took a support at 23.6, and somehow the market went beyond 23.6 and it went touched 61.8, and it is bouncing back. So it is ranging in between 23.6 level and 61.8. So currently no trade in Axis Bank, but remain on the bullish side if you are holding out of the position. SBI, it gave you a buy call at 427, and we can expect the market to go up to 443, maintain a stop loss at 425.10. Bajaj Finance, there was a huge breakdown, market started falling downside, and it also gave you a buy signal yesterday at 5,712, and it is remaining on the bullish side. It also gave you an exit today in the morning, that is at 5,800, and market started coming down. So any low, wait for the market to break out 5,800 for it to go buy, or below 5,700 for it to go for sell. So in between, kindly do not take any positions. Tata Motors, it is as expected, it took a support at 340 and it started shooting up, and it also gave you a fantastic breakout, resistance breakout at 352. We can expect Tata Motors to go and touch up to 360 or 370 levels in the near future. Maruti is also on the bullish side. It is continuously respecting the trend line. It is going on the bullish side. Dr. Reddy's, today the market was gap down and it gave you a buy signal at 5,180. And if you see there from there, it never gave you a second reversal. Continuous bullish side only. So remain on the bullish side. Target could be 5,373. JSW Steel, in the morning there was a gap down and the market gave you a short position at 7 or 10. The market came down and then it took a slight reversal. Now because this is a trend line breakout, we can expect JSW Steel, it is just slightly trading in between the trend line only. We can expect it to go down further. Adani Ports, it is totally ranging and bearish only. So look for any high, sell. Ambuja Cement, the market was flat and it is a double top pattern which is occurring. The sell is at 342. We can expect Ambuja Cement to come down up to 337. And it is also trying to create a small trend line levels here. We are yet to see how the market is going to respond tomorrow. Wipro, it broke the resistance level at 550 and it is remaining on the bullish side. We can expect Wipro to go further high beyond 556.25. Asian Paints, it has taken a support at this level 2,908. The target could be 2,990. Overall, the market is flat. ITC, after a very long time, once again it gave you a buy signal. It was on 0406, and after that continuously the market was flat, and today it broke a little bit of resistance and it is continuing on the bullish side. Stay on the bullish side, we can expect it to touch 217 once again. Tata Steel, nothing much to say because steel side everything was bearish. We also saw that Tata Steel is also on the bearish side, but a new trade cannot be taken there. UPL has given a double top. At the same area, we got a sell position at 860. Currently, it is trading at 854.20. Sell below 845, the target could be further down up to 831. Reliance, a fantastic reversal. It also, this was a little bit of glitch, technical glitch which happened in the MetaTrader software. But overall, Reliance is on the bullish side. It has broken the level, but it is trying to sustain between 2240 to 2190. But overall, stay on the bullish side Reliance because this month we can expect the market to touch 2300. NMDC, a fantastic sell signal at 192 yesterday, and continuously it is on the downside only. HDFC Bank, nothing much to say overall because the market is flat. It has taken a support, the trend line from here to here, and we are yet to see whether if I find a bullish candle, I'll definitely go for a buy in the coming days. Cadillac is a new stock which I introduced today. A small setting change has to be done here. And if you see today's movement fluctuation, it is really huge. The market was bearish in the morning. Continuously the market, there was a huge downtrend because all the pharma sector was on the bearish side. So, and it also went to the extreme condition and it gave you a very good buy signal at 614, and continuously the market is bullish. It touched as high as 639. So overall, if you were to trade a Cadillac, from many days, you would have actually taken a trade, a short position of at 645.58, and continuously you would have also got an exit at 614, and now currently the market is going up. Now currently regularly we'll also be analyzing the Cadillac because the bandwidth has actually increased between 611 to 647. We can expect some dynamic movements in this particular stock. So that's it for today. With this being said, if you find the content knowledgeable, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and you can also share it with your friends and families who are really interested in analyzing the stocks. And you can also put it in the comment section as to which are the stocks you would want me to analyze in the futures and options as well. And you can also let me know any other topic you want me to discuss in this particular content. Thank you very much. All the best. Happy trading.